I have 3 tips for you. The first is to start small and start early. A lot of people are paralyzed because they think that they need a large sum to start their personal finance journey, but the truth is you should just start now. Second is to educate yourself. The more knowledge you have, the better you are, and the more confident you are in your personal finance and all areas of your life. And third, to get a group of people to actually guide and educate you in the journey so that all of you are better at your finances together.
If you're financially well, what does that mean? Typically, it would mean someone has a stable financial position in their life. So they have emergency funds, they've got sufficient insurance, they don't have high interest credit card debt and other high interest type of personal consumer debt. They really have an ability to manage their stress. They're not overly stressed. They're actually in a very comfortable, happy position financially. And they're living below their means, to be financially literate, to be financially well, to be financially stable is to really make sure that you aren't spending more than your means. Because if you are, then you're going into debt. You're going to have to borrow more money to finance what it is you're trying to get in your life that you're spending more on. And then the last thing is you'll have a financial plan, and you're saving and planning and investing and prepared for your financial future. And to me, that's really what financial wellness is overall.